morning and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Anta baba teng iskla sa pawen nila. I mean iskla pawen nila and iskla soin mungele anta kam start kela. Start mo rete mungele daily routine. Teng pawen ni now eta mungele series lagota ki garachi jikurpa ham starting with my magical drink and after that my breakfast and then maget kit kurpa hante like podjornache and all of those things. So I know you guys got something that I said magical drink, right? Yes. So ice maka tumkode mungeli magical potion anchi recipe tumko share karun zai. Ti maka sarki borya poda and you guys know mak kerna kite borya pota then I don't waste time. I make sure I share it with my viewers, my subscribers immediately. So same icy tenchkota I'm sharing this recipe with you guys, but before that let me tell you guys te makit kom borya poda and all of that. Okay, सांगत हांव म्हाका कितको बऱ्या पडला आनी कितें बट बिफोर दॅट लेट्स प्रिपेर द ड्रिंक कित्याक तें शिजत म्हण जाल्यार आय कॅन कंटिन्यू विथ माय स्टफ ओके सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड सो हे इन्फ्लमेशन ड्रिंका हांवें घेयले सिनेमन स्टिक्स ओके हांव केन्ना तें मेजून घेयना जस्ट रँडमली घेता कितू घेत ते जिंजर एंड सम पेपरकॉर्न्स and turmeric powder. Sempre she's the sarko horko tendi. So udo I'm gonna ready zalan. As you guys can see, this color puro change zala puro reddish orangish color ela, and it is now all ready. So I'm the guest bond korea. Mashin yun dite and then we'll drink it. So mange drinks are ready. Mashe brain piping hot as tom pitte on na niyul mo tik balag na maka. So come on, let's go. Book laglo ha maka, but then I'm just waiting because empoile magir sogle. So I stay southum ka. This doesn't taste weird at all. There's no foul taste or anything like that. No bitter taste, everything is fine. Into almond to honey kaina, but if you guys want to, y'all can add. Because I feel somewhere here or there the honey is tempered and it might into sakar bhi astoli, so I try to avoid honey when most of the time. Munche so drinks be pitte dona, so I don't add. But if you guys want to, you guys can definitely add. But honestly, without honey also, it tastes fine. Normal. Just a bit of flavored here and there, but not a bad taste. I can guarantee that one. Ginger taste and turmeric taste. Yeah, not bad. Okay. No. First, no, I'll pita because then I'll give me some time. I'll finish this and then I'll continue. Okay. Okay, guys. Anta Mangalain drinks zale pion and. Let's get started with what I was going to say. My subscribers know me very well. They know my story about my weight and everything. Yes, it is again going to be weight topic. There are some people, okay, on my channel who think me speaking about my weight gain is drama. But I don't really care. हांव मुगे चॅनल हांव कितें उलोवपा आहा तें उलयतलें कोणाक कितें सांगो जाय म्हणो जाय मुडाय आय डोंट रियली केयर बट देन वाय आय स्पेशली टॉक अबाउट दीस टॉपिक इज बिकॉज आय नो जायत जाण म्हाका रिलेट कोताय बिकॉज आय रिसीव सो मेनी मॅसेजीस यू नो दॅट हांव जे फेस कोता ओके ती फेस कोताय सेम एंड this is why I like to speak about it. कोण आयकोनाका आयकनाकाय बट देन कोण आयकपा आहाय ती आयकतली आनी स्पेशली हांव तेंका लागोन कोता दिस टॉपिक. So Mungeli Porne subscribers behind, they already know what I'm talking about because they have seen my old videos. But Mungeli new subscribers behind, they'll definitely have no clue what I'm talking about. So just to give them a brief idea, I'll tell you guys. Long story short, okay. My old subscribers, please bear with me, okay. I'll make it short. So basically, my body type is a body type which is a fluffy body, not fat and not thin also, okay, somewhere I lie in between. So maka weight gain korpa is very easy. I'll just puff up like a puffer fish and then to lose weight it's not a tough thing for me. I can lose weight. Not very easily, but somewhere in between. Maka weight lose korpa is not an issue. Okay. But I have to struggle, okay? It doesn't come like हाथ तिशकन झपको मर जाता तिशकन झपको बारीक जायना, but I have to work, okay, to lose fat. So तुमकां कळपा what I'm talking about. हांव तुमकां म्हगेले videos घाता. It will give you guys some idea what I'm talking about, okay? So तुम video चोये and then I'll continue. So video tum चोयताय तो 2024 तुला yes I have been fat on and off बारीक मोटे जाता हूँ, and this is how fat I was, okay? 2024, 2023, 2024, and this is how much I lost. Oh, आतांचो recent तुम जाणाय हांवें घर गेलां 17th April आनी this is first Christmas in my house. So चोय इतू बारीक जालां आतां गोंय वयश न्हू पयलें 58 kilos. Can you guys see the difference? Pot गेलां सगळें गेलां, and this is on the third day. Going पावतरी I'm going 3rd January पावलें or 5th January video, and can you guys see the difference in my face? Like मुगे तोंड कितू मोटेलें. And this is the second week in Goa. And also starting of second week म्हणटाय तें starting आकू second week इतू कोण कितको मोटे जावपा शकता, but हांव जाता तें जाल्यार this is without me eating proper food. And this is me last 2 days going आस्तोणाचे. Can you guys see मुगे arms भी कितू मोटे जाले ते? I'm like seriously इतू मोट कोण जाता इतू fast too. So I'm going गेलें ते दोना. There was one thing that I was very particular about, and one thing I सारकें तोकलें मुगेले fit हें कोन गेलें, like that I am not gonna overeat. कितें हातोलें I will be very considerate about the quantity that I eat, okay? It's not like I'm going to eat like soil nahल्या भाशेन हावपा ना एश म्हण, because that is what I normally do when I go to Goa. I'm like, okay, soil nahल्या भाशेन हाता, like the quantity. I'm like, जाता London वचून मागीर बारीक जावपा जाता. I'm going high, let's not regret, not eating. But this time I was very particular. I was like, I'll look how much I eat, okay? I'm going to keep that in mind, because you guys know I have spent 3 months, okay, trying to lose weight, and 67 kilos to 58 kilos on now, and it was real struggle because I had to sacrifice a lot, okay? And my eating habits bhi I change kelli. You guys know I've got a sweet tooth, but I stopped eating sweets. So first week gelo boro kon weather bhi bora halalo, so हांव मोटे जाऊ ना. But then second, but मातशें चब्बीनस येलो म्हाका, okay? I saw the difference on the very third day only. मुगे face मातशें chubby येस जालें. But then it was still fine. My clothes were fitting me. आनी मागीर second week आमगे काजार आहलोलें second week, आनी I wanted to look good, and इतू त्रास केलें because I wanted to look slim, especially for the wedding. So मागीर heat चोडली काजरा दिसांनी, and guess what? I puffed up. Tum jane, I spoke about it before, heat edema, where my body immediately puffs up, like swellings at came, because from cold climate and so humid climate hoitna tedona muge came body swellings at, so that is called heat edema. I have spoken about that before. So that was like irritating because I don't control kalam, but then heat did not. So मुगे eating habit okay ahloli. I did not overeat or do anything, but then the weather wasn't very supportive. Heat वाडोली and mugli size ही वाडोली. That was so disappointing. But then thank God istit bhi zale kazra oile te zale, and then after wedding I was already so disappointed कि I started getting broad, okay? Automatically ang suzota swelling zata, and then like, you know what, forget it, I'm so done already and I will eat now. But then still, one thing that I know for sure is I did not overeat. I overeating mulo kelle na goya. I ate everything but in a proper quantity eshi. And one thing I know is I wouldn't eat that much like I normally used to do when I go to Goa. I was very considerate this time. And sarke 5 weeks raule ami Goya, and this oitay I started getting broader and broader. Ani maka jo rope oillo to zaina zalo. And I was so angry at myself, like I'm beste tidketale. Like honestly, I would be angry unnecessarily because हाय नासतना देखो हांव कित्या ब्रॉड जाता इतुले like. And कितें म्हणटा तें then I stopped looking after myself. हांव sunscreen बी लायतालें. I stopped doing that. And हांव सारकें tan बी जायन येयलें तुमकां कळपाना because obviously I've got filters on my video. So तेका लागून तुमकां कळपाना. But then I tanned like very bad. हांव लंडन देखून येयलें तेन्ना म्हगे कामाचें बी म्हाका सांगलें what's wrong with you? Why have you turned so dark? You have tanned so bad. Did you have a good holiday? I'm like, yeah. So yes, I tanned very bad. Just imagine, tu sarke bore istit hota and at the end took zainai. How disappointing it will be. So magi no irritates I now. I used to try to find something very comfortable and loose-ish. Muge braid fitting dresses arlete dekho zainale. And even the one. So Ladni vlog kelo ta choil to me no. This is the same dress that I'm wearing there, and some difference kotale. Wait, hold on. See the difference. Guys, oile azun muinde ko zalo na maka, but can you guys see the difference? Tedon the sarko tight asa talo, and now see it's fitting so well. And I haven't even tucked my tummy in. Last day goya gelta dona I checked my weight. Can you guess what my weight was? Okay, gelta dona I was 58 kgs, but last day I'm gonna weight check it was 67.70 something. Okay, and ittu weight gain zal kitkono, like I did not overeat also, like how? Ani no London Power 3 30 I'm gonna weight check kela. You know what my weight was? 65 2 kilo deole. Okay, no diet, nothing. Eta 2 kilo deola, because I know I'm gonna come and I'm gonna be back to somewhere normal. Okay, magir then I obviously from 58 65 is still again not good. So Google kele, and then I found this drink. I started drinking that drink because I was going, so I won't be able to diet, so I will not start with my diet yet. So I get kele inflammation drink people along, and people agol jalya muinja pani 4 dis ki tule. Okay, I am 63 kilos now. No diet. I've been eating chocolates continuously. I saw video question poil dekho na magela weight check kela. So it was 63. And yes, no diet again. Okay, and without diet, only this drink has helped me a lot. Mangala inflammation reduce. There's no bloating. I haven't been feeling bloated ever since I've started drinking this. Okay. So this, according to me, is a very good drink. Metabolism to gele mashe boost kota, you know, and fat to melt down kota. Ani anta March on I have started with my diet. From 1st March I sarki sugar again bond kiya, like no sweets. But ake February I ek dairy milk ka slab ka bar kela. Okay, no intermittent fasting during the full fab. Okay, dairy milk ko haila because मुगे किते okay halsan diet kota no तेजा पहिले हायन की cravings आहे ते satisfy kota, and that is what I did. Okay, आके dairy milk का slab का बार केले and on no sugar diet. आणि plus अजून I मुगे intermittent fasting will start केलो ना, but without doing all of these things I have managed to reduce so much weight, because it is obviously not fat. Okay, fat no है, it is inflammation to get body just swell up जाता उत होते आके. So yeah, because you guys have seen the difference. Okay, I mean not exactly, but yeah, going swelling, and now the difference obviously is visible. So this drink has helped me a lot. You guys do give it a try. Empty stomach early morning. Ani answer intermittent fasting we start kutale, because yes, I want to again achieve the 58 kilos. I think that looks good on me. So okay, again sacrifices for I don't know how long, 1 meal a day and all those stuff. Oh gosh, बेजार येता म्हाका अगेन टू स्ट्रगल विथ वेट लॉस थिंग. So now हांव तुमकां सांगपाना तेजे बेनिफिट्स कितें आनी कितें. Just go and Google it. There's loads and loads of benefits of this drink. Remember the recipe already गायल तुमकां हांवें, but still it is ginger, cinnamon, turmeric and peppercorns. और जावन lemon घाता है, but then I did not add lemon to it. Lemon might help me lose weight faster, right? But whatever, हांव घालपाना lemon. इशी मुगे आड week आहाय मागीर आनी week जातलें. So go Google it. Do give it a try. If you guys are facing the same problem that I face with my weight, then you guys should do it, because I haven't felt bloated or whatsoever. Okay. Anyways, anta oita breakfast korpa and ती recipe तुमका share करता. I'm gonna do some nice yummy breakfast now. भूक लागल्या. Okay, see you guys. I hope तुमका video माशे बऱ्या पडटलो. Actually, this is my story. It's only the recipe. So तुमकां मुंगेली magical potion recipe share केल्या, and तुमकां जरी तो same problems जाता that I am facing, unnecessary weight gain, inflammation and all those things, and you guys should drink. Because without diet, if I can reduce my inflammation with just one drink, then it is very helpful. And now time to start dieting, but not from today, tomorrow onwards, because I want to prepare something really yummy that I have been waiting to prepare. And yanta tench koro aita. Toy vlog shoot kota, but I will post it on the next day. Anyways, guys, see you all now. I hope tumka drink borya potolo. Do give it a try. Though Aitha vlog is only the recipe and mungeli hobro. Okay, you guys take care. Thank you for watching. Loads of love. Bye bye. Mogasu.